Hey guys, how the heck are you? I hope we're doing great and I hope we're having an awesome day. So, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but my room is a little bit different because I am not necessarily rearranging it, but kind of redoing it because as most of you know, I am a huge car enthusiast and I love a lot of automotive stuff and I love cars and everything. So I'm kind of redoing my bedroom to make it more car themed and stuff like that. So far it's coming out pretty good. I mean, we might do some more to it, I don't know, but yeah, I don't really know what's in store for this weekend either because it's supposed to rain today for a little bit more, and it's also supposed to snow tomorrow morning, so I don't know guys, but I guess we'll find out what happens. Hey Phineas, you took something with you. Finn, come here. Come. Phineas, come.
The lady doctor's behind the
Come on, Finn. Come on, Finn.
You can barely see it without even camera.
Mom, call the dog.
Hey, dog.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, we have the turtle out. I don't know what she thinks she's trying to accomplish by climbing all of this. She could just as easily go around. She's gonna make it though. She has enough grip. There you go. Now she has to figure out how to get down. Usually it just ends with her falling to the bottom. Like this. You okay? Yep, I think she's fine. She doesn't seem to care. Guys, we have the turtle spy car. Alright guys, so we have a pile of mulch right here and I've kind of made it into a ramp. So we have a sketchy ramp, I have a BMX bike, and I'm going to try to jump it right now. Let's do it. It is a lot trickier than you'd think because the mulch is like, it's bouncy. So it's just got a weird floor for me to hit it off of. So, yeah. This thing's pretty sketchy, guys. That's pretty much the best I got. I don't think I can jump it, just because it's set up so weird. Alright guys, that's pretty much the best I got. I don't want to hurt myself doing this, so there it is. Alright guys, it is time to wrap up another video. Thank you guys for watching. I know this one wasn't too long of a video, but I was actually surprised when I was editing it. I thought it was going to be much longer, but there were still some pretty interesting things that we did in it, and it's kind of funny because it was snowing Sunday morning and it is currently 83 degrees outside right now on Wednesday. So big temperature change, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. Again, thank you both for watching. The turtle is watching me do all of this, just staring right at us. But yeah guys, thank you for watching. I love all of you. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.